Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your device and Roblox app are ready. Update the Roblox client so floating features work. Outdated builds can block overlays. Next, grant the operating system permission for overlays or pop-up windows in settings, because without that Roblox cannot display a floating panel. Once done, sign into your Roblox account and navigate to the game or studio you plan to use. This immediately places you in the environment where the floating window option appears. Now you'll enable the floating window itself. In-game, open the main menu, or in Roblox Studio, use the View menu. These contain display controls. Then find the display, window, or overlay settings. Developers label the option differently, so scan for words like detach, float, or overlay. Toggle the floating window or detach option. Once active, click and drag the window to reposition it. Make sure to test resizing handles and snap behavior, so it behaves as you expect. Finish by locking or saving the layout so the floating window persists between sessions. This prevents accidental movement. If the window doesn't appear, restart Roblox and reopen your session, because many overlay features require a fresh process to initialize. If problems persist, verify OS overlay permissions again and temporarily disable other apps that use overlays, such as screen recorders or chat tools, since they can conflict. A single troubleshooting tip: toggle the system overlay permission off and on, then relaunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.